Here is how you can empty the storage on your Android. So let me guide you through it and show you some tips. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are so many different things which might be taking up the storage. It would obviously be best if you opened up your settings and there is a section which is called device care. When you get inside it there, you'll see the current status of your phone. Like you'll be able to see the storage and the memory, battery, and so on. But when you tap onto the storage, of course, you can see how much has been used and by what specifically. So you can manage the files like that, and it's actually very useful and nice breakdown, and it's gonna allow you to see the largest things so you can empty it this way. And it's also gonna give you some recommendations on how you can just free up some storage. So you can see some trash folders, which is going to allow you to see if there are any things in your trash, so you can empty that and get more storage right away. Or if there are some unused apps which still are quite large on your phone, and you can remove those if you don't want to have them anymore. Some duplicate files if you have them, or even large files which are likely going to be like a huge videos which you perhaps don't even need to keep on your phone anymore. So that's how you can make it work. Of course, you can delete some different files, and yeah, it's up to you to decide what exactly you want to give up on, but this is a nice breakdown on how you can empty the storage and delete the stuff that you don't need anymore. So I would basically go through this like every once in a while, especially when I notice that my phone is kind of getting cluttered up. I would just go in here and delete some of the stuff which I don't need, because it usually happens that our phones accumulate things and files which we no longer use or have any need for anymore, so those can definitely go. But I hope I was able to guide you through it and show you how it kind of works. If you like this video, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.